Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by using an administrator account so changes apply system-wide. Open Start, choose Settings, then Network and Internet. This gets you to the control surface. You take a quick screenshot of current Wi-Fi and adapter details. This helps you restore custom DNS or static IP later. Once done, click Status on the left to confirm current connectivity. Make sure to note any VPN or proxy settings, since the reset will remove them, and you may need to reconfigure. You proceed to Status, scroll down to Network Reset, and click Reset Now. This triggers Windows to uninstall and reinstall network adapters and set networking components back to defaults. The system will warn you and request a restart. Accept it because the reinstall completes during boot. After the reboot, Windows reinstalls drivers automatically. Make sure to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, enter the password, and, if needed, reconfigure VPN or proxy. This clears corrupted settings you finish by restoring any saved custom settings like DNS, static IP, or proxy because the reset removes them. Once configured, test connectivity by loading multiple websites and running the Windows Network Troubleshooter under Settings right arrow Troubleshoot right arrow Internet Connections. If problems continue, make sure drivers are current. Open Device Manager, expand network adapters, update or roll back the driver. One key tip: if nothing fixes it, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software. They can block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.